Hello from Slovenia again, sorry. I will do another reverse flower dip with paper napkin. I don't know if I used this combination already, but I love it. So I have cadmium yellow lemon hue, and I have vermilion, it's an orange, and quinacridone magenta, and permanent blue violet, and of course pearl white mixture. And I will start with yellow. Oops, maybe this is a little too thick. But now I will leave it like it is. And pearl white. And orange. I have to thin down my yellow a little bit because it's just too thick. You have to check your paints before you start pouring, because if you mix them before and leave them, they can thicken up. So pearl white, this one looks okay. Magenta, and pearl white again. And violet, permanent blue violet. I will list all the colors in the description box, so you can check them there. If you didn't remember all, and if you will like this flower dip, you can check the description box and you will find all the colors listed there, and brands and everything, and my pearl white mixture, and how I mix my paints. You just have to look a little bit on my channel and you will find all informations about paints and pouring medium and everything that I use. So pearl white again, and violet, I'm just thinking if I want to add one layer more or just leave it and switch. I will probably do that. I will just switch my cup in a second. I just have to add some black here because I throw my squeeze bottle in there. Turn it around. Okay, let's bring some interest to this. Okay, and let's go with one a row of colors, just one. Yellow and pearl white and orange. This is vermilion, Amsterdam vermilion. You have different vermilions, so that's why I think that it's important that I write brands too, because different brands have different colors. So, and this quinacridone magenta is Vallejo. Vallejo. And pearl white. And violet. I'm just thinking that I have a little paint a little thicker today. I don't know how. They are obviously thickened up a little more. And I will spray my paper napkin with water. Okay. I don't see any lacing. I don't know, maybe my paint is too thick. So if it is, we will see what will happen if your paint is too thick. Okay. Let's grab my napkin. Put it down. Another half. I will just lightly touch this to make sure that napkin touches the paint on every part. Just don't press too hard when you tap your napkin on your napkin, because you will smash all the paint underneath. Oop. And I think that my paint is a little thick. I don't know. We will see what will happen. Or maybe not. I just lost yellow on the outside, you see? So weird. And we'll just pour some black around and smooth it out. And in the meantime, our pearl white will start doing its job. I like this part when all these petals start showing and you can see this flower grow in front of your eyes, literally. Or this is just how I see this stage of process, so maybe you don't see it like this, but I do, and I know that a lot of people do, because you write this in comments. Just try to bring back black to the flower here. See, my hands are shaking today again, but you already know that sometimes I have a little problem with my hands, but it's okay. It's not so bad. And now I have to do something with this middle. When you do this, you have to be careful that you don't press with your finger too much. You just have to slide on the surface of the paint, or I don't know how I can explain this. I can explain only like this. You have to slide over, not press. So let's torch this a little bit and see. I lost almost all yellow. I was hoping for a little more yellow, I have to say. I was hoping for some yellow shade around, and I just don't know why this part is so different than I know, because I probably lift my napkin differently, but so strange that it looks almost blue on camera, because it's not blue, it's violet. Okie dokie. I think that I like it this way. My quinacridone magenta reacted a little weird. I don't know why. I will show you. Maybe because it's what is this? Artist, you see this? I use this magenta Vallejo extra fine quality acrylics, so it's beautiful, but it reacts a little differently with pearl white, so but it's still nice. Let me take you down for a close-up. Oops, sorry about the glare. See, I have some yellow here on the second row, and in the middle and in between, but I lost it around because if you remember the first layer of yellow, I realized that it's too thick, so maybe that's why I lost it. You see, I have yellow here and here and here, not as much as I want. I was hoping for a little more, but not on the outside. See, it starts with orange, not with yellow. Even if I started with, maybe I will play a little more with this center, because I still think that I have to fix it just a little bit, but otherwise I like it because of all these bright colors. But on camera violet looks like blue sometimes, but that's how it is. So I have to say that I'm happy. As I said, maybe I will touch just a little of my middle part, and tell me in comments, do you like this color combination? I have to say that I do. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!